back to my bathroom. I'm gonna be cutting my bangs. I'm a bit bored with my hair. I always think I look pretty good with bangs. I have a pretty massive forehead, as you can tell. So, gonna give it a whirl. I've cut my bangs a few times before, but not any time recently. So, let's get into it. So to start off, I just always section my hair just with the basic starting point of where I want my bangs. So I always grab just a section in the front of my hair and then just tie up the rest at the back. So I'm going to start small to begin with and then just go from there. They generally say that like the best way to do it is just by grabbing like a triangle section or like a half moon section from the front of your head. And obviously the further back in your head that you start is the bigger the bangs will be. So I'm a big fan of the twist method. So you just grab your section and you twist where you want and then just cut above the twist. And boom, there you go. There's some bangs. I kind of just want to make it a bit heavier in the front. Maybe trim a little bit off the glasses line. And basically what I'm doing now is I'm just going to do exactly the same method. Just grab some more hair further back, just part it away from the rest of my hair. And sometimes it takes a while to get the right amount of hair that you want for your bangs. So like, don't be afraid to take your time with it and to go slow. Like, you don't need to rush something like this. You do want to make sure that it's even on both sides though, so like definitely take the time to split your hair evenly and get it right. And here I am just twisting again and then just cutting above the twist. I also do need to apologise for the fact that you can't really see me cutting much of my hair. It's just that the camera set up is not right in front of my mirror, so it's actually pretty hard to film myself cutting my hair and actually cutting my hair properly. And now I'm just trimming the ends, making sure it's all neat. I'm doing that feathering technique where you grab it and you can like cut upwards into your hair, and that sort of thins it out a little bit as well. I also left some longer bits at the side just so that my bangs can have some sort of depth to them, so it's not just straight across. So all I'm doing now is just grabbing that bit of hair and then cutting down on an angle so it sort of frames my face a little bit. So I'm not just straight across with some bangs. I've got some depth to my face. If I'm wearing my hair up, you can see, you know, the side of my face is just framed by the bangs. So it looks really nice when you've got your hair up or when you've got your hair down. And that's it. And this is it. This is how my bangs turned out. I actually pretty much love it. I mean, it's a little bit long in the front, which I'll probably just trim off as it grows, but that's it. You too can cut your bangs. Hope you guys had fun with me. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a couple weeks.